Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. So I wanted to walk you guys through my day today, or my morning. Essentially my morning. I'm going to be going and doing some stuff later today. But the girls are over there. I've already given them breakfast, very simple breakfast, waffles with blueberries. And then I'm going to be making my breakfast here in just a second. I'm going to show you guys what I've been eating for breakfast. Very simple. I usually do like eggs with toast and avocado, or my other go-to is oats with protein powder and almond butter and chocolate chips, which is like dessert for breakfast. So I think that's what I'm going to do today, just because I don't have any avocados, and I do have the bread and the eggs. I just don't have any avocado. So we're going to do that, and I've already had my coffee, which I have been drinking the Starbucks iced coffee because it's summer. And my go-to creamer right now is the Silk non-dairy almond creamer, and this is in the flavor sweet and creamy. I really love this one. It foams up. It's super good. And the milk frother that I use, I actually asked this for Christmas. My husband ended up getting it for me, and this froths your creamers and your milk so nicely. So I like to put that in there. And then yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get breakfast ready. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I'm gonna have. Alright, so let's go ahead and make our oats. I'm just using a generic brand of instant oats. I prefer this one simply because it's so much easier to make. You can just put some water in it and you're ready to go. As you guys are seeing, I like to weigh out everything because I am currently tracking everything that I'm eating. And like as I mentioned, I can go ahead and do a video of what I eat in a day. So I'm doing about 40 grams of instant oats and then a scoop of protein, which comes out to about 25 grams. And this is exactly how I love to eat my oats. I like it creamy, not too watery, not too thick. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my scoop of almond butter and some dairy-free chocolate chips, and this is our delicious breakfast. Happy Sunday, everyone. So I didn't really vlog much after yesterday's breakfast, but as you guys saw, I've been having that oatmeal bowl with almond butter and the dairy-free chocolate chips because it's just so good. And then I do add that scoop of protein, which you can get your extra protein in right first thing in the morning. So anywho, it's Sunday. Usually Sundays is where I go grocery shopping, and I do my meal prep. So I'm thinking, I saw this recipe that I've been wanting to try, and it is homemade dairy-free buffalo sauce, and I want to go ahead and try that with some chicken breasts. And I'm probably gonna add either jasmine rice or some brown rice, something underneath. I'm also maybe even thinking about brown rice pasta that I can get from Trader Joe's. So I'm thinking about doing that. And then I have some stir-fry vegetables from Costco that I can cook alongside with that, or I can just go and buy my broccoli and mushrooms that I've been doing every single week. So I'm going to go to Sprouts. I'm going to do some grocery shopping right now. I'm going to go pick up the groceries for the meal prep for the week, and I like to do this because it's just so much easier. I'm thinking about doing another video of just kind of walking you guys through my work day. So because of COVID, I have been working from home. I work a full-time job, 9 to 5. It just helps. It helped before, going to my job and having my meals already prepped and ready for me to just take out of the fridge and, pop them in the microwave at work. And now, even though I'm at home, I'm literally working in my kitchen. It does take a lot of time away from my desk job. So having these meals already prepped, and I don't even separate them in containers or anything like that. I literally cook in batches, and then I grab what I need as I go throughout the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and maybe I will just walk you guys through my meal prep today, and that will be for today's vlog. And then so tomorrow's Monday, maybe I'll kind of just show you guys real quick what it is that I do right before I clock in. I'm gonna go ahead and go to do my grocery shopping, and then I will be right back. It's Monday. I've got my water filled up. I've taken my vitamins, and now I'm going to go ahead and make my coffee. Here I'm just using some instant coffee. I'm actually waiting for an order to come in. I have some instant coffee with chicory root blend. If you guys don't know what that is, there's so many additional benefits to chicory root coffee. So I'm waiting for that to come in, but in the meantime, I'm just using my instant coffee. And then for creamer, I only use a dairy-free creamer now simply because my skin actually breaks out whenever I eat dairy. That could be creamer, cheese, milk, whatever it is. So I only use a dairy-free creamer, and as you guys saw, the Silk creamer is my current go-to. Here I'm actually using a little bit of oat milk as well. So there you have it. That is my coffee for the morning. And now we're just getting ready for our morning shift. So this mug, by the way, if you guys want to know, I got this at Target in the clearance section for only $3. I think it's the perfect cute little cup for Mondays. Good morning, Myra. What are you doing? Are you cleaning up? Yeah? You just woke up and you're going to clean up? That's awesome.
So, what I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take all the big ones and put them there, and then all the little ones, and then big ones again, and then medium ones, and then little ones, and
Yeah.
big ones again, and then medium ones, and then done.
Are you happy that you're on summer vacation?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No.
No? You want to go back to school? I'm happy you're here with me. Alright, well I'm going to get to work and you can go ahead and clean up and then let me know when you want breakfast, okay? Okay. Myra requested, what did you want for breakfast?
Bread with avocado and egg, and then another one with avocado and then an egg.
And toast? Yum. So as you guys saw, my morning routine for the weekdays is really simple. I literally roll out of bed every morning, still in my pajamas whenever I clock into work. I'm currently in my athletic wear just because I finished my workout right now on my lunch. But as you guys saw, like I usually just fill up my water bottle, I get my coffee ready, I do all the things that I need to do before getting ready. Today's a little different though, just because Myra is not in school at the moment. She is officially on summer break, so she's going to be staying with me for the next month or so until she goes back to school. And then my youngest, Melody, is with her grandma, so it's a little different. I enjoy having her at home. Even though I'm working all day, I can at least, say hi to her. I can give her a hug. I can, give her meals and things like that. Today we had the same breakfast, and she personally requested it, which was avocado toast with eggs on top. And she finished it all. I finished my breakfast. But let me know if you guys want to see a what I eat in a day. I love doing that. I usually am posting over there on my Instagram stories. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and leave my IG handle down below. But I'm usually just posting like what I eat in a day. I love sharing the meals that I cook for myself and for my family. But if you guys want to see a video of what I eat in a day, I'm currently on an 1800 calorie daily intake, so I can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, I'm also planning on doing a Target haul because I've recently purchased a bunch of things from Target, including clothes, shoes, just random things from there, and even grocery items. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog for the rest of the week just because I basically do the same thing. I think I'm going to end this video tonight. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be meal prepping for the week. And I did mention I was going to do the buffalo sauce. I'm still going to do that, but instead of chicken, I'm going to be doing meatballs, turkey meatballs, and I'm going to try to do those in the crock pot. So I just can't wait. I know it's going to be so delicious. I'm just hoping it turns out amazing and like how I'm visualizing it in my head. But I'll come back and show you guys what I'm going to be meal prepping. So here's all the ingredients that you need to make a dairy-free buffalo sauce. This was actually incredibly easy to make, and as you guys can see, it is super creamy and buttery. The butter that I'm using is the Earth's Balance vegan butter, and then I went ahead and used some ground turkey, almond flour. I also added some onions, and you can add whatever other toppings in your meatballs, but this is essentially what I used, and it was really easy to make. The only part that took a while was just browning the meatballs. So here I am pouring the pre-made buffalo sauce that I made, and then like I said, I browned all the meatballs. You want to cook them thoroughly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and be throwing them in the crock pot. I'll be honest, I thought that this was going to be a lot creamier than I thought, but you know what? The meatballs were super delicious. They were very moist because of the buffalo sauce already inside of them, and so I just added the rest of the sauce on top, and here was my lunch for the rest of the week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.